Don't we do this while talking? We divide first people, insiders and outsiders. As if outsiders all are bad people and insiders are all holy people. Then we begin to divide the insiders into the place of birth. Where was he born? Benauli? Lotoli? Oh. Born in Kolwa? Kankon? In Bardes? Born in Aldona? Moira? Born in Kalangut? No. Don't we do this? What is important is the person's integrity, the person's wisdom, the person's life. We don't give importance to the person. We give importance to his place of birth. Our place of birth, our parents, our siblings, everything could be considered in two ways. We can consider that as God's gift. God decided where we should have born. One was born in Goa, one was born in Kashmir. God's plan. One was born in a rich family, one was born in a poor family. God's plan. One skin color is little fair, another skin color is a little dark. God's plan. Can't we consider that way? Or we can look at another way. That someone was born in Goa is an accidental feature. By accidentally you are born here. And somebody was born in Kashmir or Kerala accidentally. So our skin color, our parents, all these are accidental features. Can't we consider that? No, we don't do that. We take pride in our place of birth, our family and all. And look down on others. That is the worst thing. So what did Jesus do? Jesus ignored them. Therefore today's reading says, Matthew says, he didn't do any miracles in his own hometown. He went away.